So it's the second week of June 2026. There's a lot going on in the news this week. The Lego situation's going south. The LA mayoral primaries are also going south. The UK's erupting in riots. The Carmelo Anthony verdict is in. But it's nice outside. And I'm painting in the backyard. I've leveled the canvas. I've poured the pillow paint. And now I'm adding all the colors to pour the background. Still going. And here's the pour. Pouring somewhat in a circle. And emptying out the remainder in the cup. Now I'm adding black. The black is mixed with silicone. I'm just crossing some lines over the colors I poured. And now I'm blowing the paint out. And almost passing out in the process. Now I'm stretching the paint to all of the edges. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. But this will be the background of the painting. I thought of an idea. So I'm pouring bright orange in random spots. And blowing out the orange spots. And almost passing out again. And for contrast, I'm adding the black and silicone to the middle of the orange. And I'm also adding silver. Because why not? And another round of black. Now I have to fix an orange spot I messed up. Time to almost pass out again. And more work on that spot. I'm almost done with the fix. So close. Now to create the designs. I'm just drawing lines out from the center with a metal skewer. This is creating the details in the focal points. So I'm taking my time with this part. Now I'm going to add swirls in the middle of the black on top to add a bit more finishing detail. So there aren't any plain spots. These details also take a bit longer, but it's totally worth the time. And effort. It's like 95 degrees outside. And I'm soaked in sweat. The final torching. And some final details. Just a few more lines. And I'm done. My first time painting outside. Here's how it looks. If you watched, thanks for watching.